Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to build your own showcase for your MicroFigure. So the first thing you're going to do is pick up this 2x2 piece, this flat piece, and pick up this 2x2 smooth piece with the one little notch on the top. And clip them together like this with the gray piece underneath the black piece. After you have that done, go over to your 6x6 flat piece and clip it into the middle, like that. Make sure it's centered. You can set this aside for a while and pick up your one of your two 4x1s and pick up two windows and clip them on, making sure the windows are on the same direction. Then pick up your other 4x1 piece and pick up the other window and clip it on. After you have that done, take your other window and clip it onto your 2x1 piece. And take the last window and clip it onto your other 2x1 piece. After you have that done, come back to your 6x6 piece. But before you clip on the windows, take your MicroFigure and place it in the center. Just like that. Make sure your MicroFigure is centered. After that's done, you can take your first 4x1 piece with the two windows and clip it on the side. Then take your other 4x1 piece and clip it on the side too. And then take your other 2x1 piece, clip it in the front, and take your last 2x1 piece and clip it in the back. Then take your 2x4 flat pieces and put them on the top. Then take your last 2x2 smooth piece with the one notch on the top, and then take your blue piece and clip it on the top to the nook. Then take your little ruby and clip it onto the top in the blue piece. And lastly, take your four little stool pieces and clip them in to the corners of the 6x6 piece. Just like that. And this design will work for other things you want to have in a showcase, not only your MicroFigure. You might have to alter the design a little, but this will still work for any other thing you want to put in a showcase.